Hi guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the homepage and how to customize it. So to begin, you will always want to make sure that you're on the Show Desktop Only view. This just ensures that you can see everything that you're working with and it's in a large scale. So next up, you want to just click on the correct page that you're working with at the moment. So I'm currently in Home for Video Tutorial. And then at the very top here, you want to click on the page. So underneath the page tab, you'll see all these blocks. These are called canvases. So canvases are what make up your whole entire page. So if I hover over this section here, this is the hero canvas. And then you will see that it's also called hero here because it's the exact same one. If I was to hover down, you've got the about, the gallery, testimonials, and your footer. So going back to the hero. So what I'll start with is how to teach you guys how to replace the images. So it's really simple. All you have to do is click on the image and then refer to the left hand side that you're clicked on the right thing. So sometimes if I click around the border, I sometimes click on that and I'm actually wanting to click on the photo. So just ensure that you're on the right thing, and when it goes blue, that means you've clicked on that. So once you've clicked on the image, refer to the right hand side, which are your design settings and your click actions and hovers. So you'll want to go to the image tab, click on the image, and your folder with all your images and elements will appear. So simply choose another photo and bam, you can have that photo as a hero. So scrolling down a little bit, we've got a couple of quotes here. These are just secondary elements that just make the design. You don't have to have them. The easiest way to get rid of them is either hiding them. So once you've clicked on the quote, then you've got this little icon of the desktop. You can click that and it hides it. So if you want to hide that one too, just click the desktop icon. If you want to have them back, you simply unclick that. There you go. So with the text, these are just text boxes. So what you can do is delete that and then write whatever you like. So you can simply just write welcome. Don't have to write welcome to Theodore, and leave that as it is. Also, you've got text here, and what we'll do is just align that to the top. So when you click on the text box, a textile tab appears here. What this includes is all of your font, your colors, the sizing, and pretty much a range of different things that you can use to modify the text. So at the moment, the text is a little bit lower than where it's meant to be. It's meant to be aligned with the corner. So what I'll do is click on the text box and then go towards the align part and click right. There we go. And that's in line now with the image. So these are also text boxes. Textile tab will appear and you can modify all of that in there. Now going down to the about page, what you can do here is you've also got your, click on the about, there we go. So you've also got text options here that you can change, and then photos once again. So once you click on it, you've got your little file that you press and you change. So it's really simple to change images. You've also got canvas backgrounds here. So if you wish to change the background, all you have to do is click on the background, click on the canvas background tab, and then simply change the color. You probably don't want to do the orange because you've already got an orange box. That might clash. So you can do that color, but then you've got to change the text. Or we'll go with the black. Keep it easy. And it looks really nice with the black background as well. Alrighty. Oh, and one more thing. We've got links here. So this is the first section that has the links actually. So what you do is if you want to link something towards a page or URL, you can do that with anything. So you can link a photo or you can link your little learn more and view more texts. So once you click on it, again, refer to the right hand side, head on to click actions, and then you've got your link tab that comes up and you choose page, and then you choose what page out of all your pages you want to link it to. Because it's about, you just want to make sure that's linked to the appropriate about page, and that's all you have to do. You can also link your photo, because some people tend to click on photos and the learn more button. So we've also linked page in the about, with the about. Okay, scrolling down here, we've got the gallery. So this gallery is a little bit different to the about and the hero, as you've not only got images, but if I preview this, waiting for the internet. Okay. So if you scroll, if I hover over these images, nothing happens because these are just static images. Nothing happens. But for these ones, they've got image hovers. They've got little hovers up here. So these hovers are for, you can actually use them for anything, but we've just applied them to the gallery because we want to minimize writing around it, because we've got a lot more photos we want to showcase. And so if you hover, the writing appears there, well, the text appears. So to change the text, all you have to do is click on an image, refer to the left-hand side of your dashboard, make sure you're clicked on the appropriate object, click the hide icon button, and then your text will appear. So you can easily change that to your own couple name. So I'll just Command Z that and keep Hannah and Ash. And then when you want to reappear that image on top, just unclick that little icon. There we go. And again, you've got quotes here, and you've got little secondary elements. These are really easy to move around. You can change the what way they're facing. You can move them about. If you find that you want to put it there, but you want it to be on top of the photo, simply drag it above everything else, and you'll find that it goes there. It goes on top of things. Same if you want to have it here, but you want it to go underneath the image, simply drag and then try and drag it behind this image here. Okay, we've also got another link here, which is under click actions, and it is linked to the gallery page. Alright, next up is your testimonials. So within testimonials, you've also got text boxes that you change per views, views. So the thing with views, if I press preview here, it might be a bit easier to explain. Okay, so we'll scroll down to testimonials. So we've got these little arrows here. What happens is when you click on an arrow, you've got a new testimonial and a new couple name. So at the moment, we're just showcasing 3. You can have more, you can have less. So how we edit that is in views. So with the first view, you've got Alex and Lauren, and you've got their testimonial. And then you can see that everything is the same in each view. So you've got view 2, exact same. The only thing that changes is the text and the couple name. View 3, the text and the couple name changes once again. So the only thing you have to change is the testimonial and the couple name. Everything else you want to keep the same, just so when you click on the arrows, it's quite cohesive and it looks the exact same throughout each view. So that's testimonials. Now moving on to your footer. So with the footer, you'll notice that there's lines going through this. This is because it's not just a normal canvas, it's called a site canvas. So the difference with a site canvas and a normal canvas is that if I press edit footer, it opens up its separate canvas. So these are canvases that are the exact same throughout all the other pages. So if you choose to use a footer in a different page other than the home, then it will be the exact same that you're using in your home page. So if you edit anything in here, you will also modify the other footers that are linked in the other pages. So that's what makes it really easy, because you wouldn't want to go through every single page and modify each and every footer. So you've only got one. So the things in here are quite the same as before. You've got your text that you can change. So this can be your logo. You can change your social icons simply by clicking on them. We'll zoom up. Click. You can change the icon. So if you wanted to change it to Snapchat, we can use the outline version. Click on that, and then just make sure that you're linking it appropriately. So just click action, you've got your link tab, your URL, and just make sure you've got the appropriate link for the icon. So those are the social icons. And then you also want to link your photography that you use as well. And then you've got all your pages linked. As you can see on this side, they're all linked to their appropriate page. And then come into the email section. So this is where your audience pops in their email, so you can create your mailing list. So what happens is, once you click on this, you'll go towards the text properties tab, and you'll click on enable input. This allows your audience to write inside the text box, and then when they press subscribe, you'll go to click actions, canvas, this canvas, and you'll click submit contact form. This just allows the viewer to send their email to your website. Send their email to your email. So that explains the email and subscribe button. Going back to the home page, pretty much we'll zoom out once more. Alright, that pretty much sums up everything to do with the homepage. If you do have any more questions, feel free to refer to the template guide, as there are more in-depth tutorials there. Thanks guys!